me. We all want to go on a nice summer vacation, preferably on the beach. What do my friends think about that? They have too much work? That's a shame. You have other plans? Well, it happens. Apparently, they really don't care about the beach. All I can do is enjoy my pictures from last year. It was unforgettable. Looks like all Mary's going to get this summer are wallpapers on her screen. Oh, what could be better than a trip to the beach? The waves, the sun. Let your dreams become reality. Do I hear waves? Where am I? By the beach? Wow, is this a dream? Here come the girlfriends. What are you doing here? Mary, can't you see? Sunbathing! Join us! It's a miracle! It's exactly what I wanted! Girls are sunbathing. Polly is enjoying the warm summer sun too. But before you can tan, you have to take care of your skin. It's time to use coconuts. More specifically, coconut oil. Coconut oil has lots of useful properties, you know. And if you take an empty dropper bottle, fill it with coconut oil, and add some pearly pigment, and give it a good shake, you are going to make an amazing beauty product, a beach must-have. Apply it to your skin and continue to enjoy the sun. The pearly pigment will give your skin a beautiful shimmer. So, now you know the secret to Polly's perfect tan. Coconut oil, so easy! And another great life hack will help soothe the skin after the sun. A cucumber mask, and not just on your eyes, but on your whole body. Cucumbers will moisturize and soothe your skin if you get sunburnt. Oh, there's enough for a whole salad! But that feels so nice! Oh, wrap dresses! A gentle breeze sends the hem up right away. You have to constantly keep an eye on the situation. I am so sick of this striptease. Let's use a life hack. You'll need a coin and a Band-Aid. Put the coin on the inside of the dress like this. If necessary, you can do it in several places. Done! You can do your runway walk without any worries. Phew, what a hot day! In this weather, spending time by the water is so nice. I wish I could be in the middle of the water on an inflatable mattress right now. Why not? Blow up some balloons. More balloons! Here, that's enough. Connect them to each other. And on top of that, cover them in plastic wrap. A bright floaty is ready. Let's go conquer the water!
Yay!
Join me! There's enough room for two. This is great! Tanning on water is the best. Of course, just sitting by the water and swinging your feet is plenty nice. But Polly and Mary have a better idea. A photo shoot with strawberries. Sally would love to get involved too. Pose, baby! And the berries will give the pictures an exquisite, fruity charm. The pictures are so juicy. Hanging out at the beach is great.
Yay!
Let's go for a swim, Polly. Let me just put on my swimsuit. Oh no, I think I left it at home. Being at the beach in this heat without a swimsuit is so sad. But for this case too, we know a life hack. Just a minute. Be smart. Think outside the box. Rent a diving suit and swim in it. Why not? It's just as good as a normal swimsuit. When you go out for a long time, always bring a snack. Bananas are one of the best solutions. It's filling and healthy, but sooner or later, there's a banana peel in your hand and no trash can around here. No worries, Sally keeps bags in her backpack. Oh, it's puffing up. It's so funny. Looks like the bag is going to change jobs today. If you put a few bags together and put them on your waist, you can be a sumo wrestler. Who'd have thought that regular garbage bags can be so much fun? Oh, looks like someone's playing by the wrong rules. And Holly's sharp claws win the championship. Her bag survived the fight. But honestly, who cares who won? The main thing is that we had a really good time. Resting on the beach is so nice. You relax and forget about basic precautions. Leaving your phone like this is a bad idea. But these girls are so careless. While they are playing in the sea, a thief picks up the gadget. Now, Sally wants to check her messages, but her loyal friend has disappeared without a trace. This is a disaster, and it doesn't seem to be the only one missing. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, check out this simple life hack. You have to hide the gadget in an unexpected place, where a thief would probably never think to look. Like in a diaper. It's a perfect hiding place. The main thing is that you can't spot it. It's just a diaper. And here's another idea, a tube from Pringles. It'll do a great job as a safe for your valuables. Now it's safe. You can swim without worrying about anything. Sometimes you want to sit in the shade. Why not build a tent? You'll need flexible plastic tubes, pieces of rebar, and a blanket. Let's pick a place. Hammer the pegs in the sand. Put the tubes on the rebar bases like this. That makes 2 arcs. Spread the fabric on top. Now let's get some plastic ties and scissors. Attach the tent to the frame. Cut off the tails of the ties. Now you can spread a soft blanket under the cover and enjoy the shade and relax. Don't worry about overheating or getting sunburned. Awesome! It's great to play in the sea. And after the swim, it would be nice to have a nice cold beverage. I have some soda. Oh, it's so hot! Of course, it spent so much time in the sun. But Polly knows how to set up a fridge right on the beach. Dig a hole in the sand. The deeper, the better. Now let's get some seawater in a container. It's definitely cooler than the sand. Put the water tank in the hole and put your bottles in there. Close the lid of the container and bury the hole in the sand. And a mark in the form of a shovel will help you find it. It's nice to drink Coke like this. It's the perfect temperature. Well, here's to us. By the way, it's nice to sunbathe on the lawn at home, too. The sun is the sun everywhere. My friend stopped by. That's great. And she is not empty-handed. She brought a stencil for sun tanning. A Monstera leaf? Oh, it's a sticker. Great! You can stick it to your arm like this. And now, trust the sun. Take off the tropical stencil. Voila! Look how beautiful this body art is. So unusual. Wake up! Was it really just a dream? Oh, the leaf on my arm. So it wasn't a dream? What a wonderful vacation! Those life hacks are very useful, right? Which one did you like the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss fresh ideas for the brightest summer on Troom Select.